Hi everyone, welcome to my morning skincare routine. So, what do I do in the morning to get my skin ready or to get ready for the day? I always start with, I love this, my cleanser. So the cleanser that I really like is our daily exfoliating cleanser with tea tree. And there are many reasons why I like this cleanser. This cleanser is not a soapy cleanser, so it's more like a cream cleanser. It has beads in there, and the beads are made naturally, so this is not a plastic product in that sense. Also, it has beta hydroxy and it has tea tree, so it really wakes me up and it really helps to refine my skin. So let's start with the cleansing. And I do this for about a minute, and the reason is because of the just the exfoliating properties. Really gets into the skin. I go gently. I don't go hard, but I do go into the little nooks and crannies. And you can see it's almost invisible, but it's cleaning my skin amazingly. And I'm just going to rinse it off with tepid water. Rinsed and fresh. Okay, so cleanse the skin, first part of my routine. The next part is to get my skin the right pH so that the rest of my products work really well. So I love using the Simple Science. This one is the one with the salicylic acid, the azelaic acid, and also the niacinamide. So this is a really great blend. So this is like doing 3 steps in one. What this will also do is it's going to really work on the enlarged pores, which I happen to have. But you can't see them because of this. And I do go down to my neck as well. So, cleansing step. The next step, antioxidant. So I set the pH using the salicylic or the beta hydroxy acid. If you have, for example, dry skin, you can use glycolic acid. First step, I use the salicylic acid because I have more oily skin. Then the next I use is my vitamin C and Ferulic. This is my antioxidant. You want antioxidant on your skin to help protect your skin against free radicals, so I do a couple of drops of that. Put that on. And again, I distribute all around up to the hairline, even behind my ears. Okay? This is so much fun. You know what I love about it too is that it's like a massage. It just gets everything going, the lymphatic system, the skin, exercise. The whole routine takes about 1.5 minutes, but I'm going through it and explaining it to you so that you understand my reasoning and why I put things together that way for my skincare routine, and what I've noticed throughout the years of how you know, the cleansing, setting the skin in the right pH, using your antioxidant, then using your protection. So the next will be my Fast Lift Eye Serum. So I'm going to do something just for around my eye area. I use a serum around the eyes. I love the Fast Lift Eye Serum. And I like to go around and circle it just a little bit, just to promote the microcirculation, work on the lymphatic system, lymphatic drainage here. It's just a little bit of extra step in how I apply. You don't have to, but I find that if you wake up, you have a bit of puffiness or dark circles, just even changing the way you apply your product or use your product can really motivate your skin, you know, and really enhance the results, right? So it's almost like a communication, like what's happening underneath the skin, that world there of the circulation and the nutrition. You just want to flush things through. And this is how I think about the skin and how I think about my beauty routine when I'm putting it together. Then for my cream, I use the 14% azelaic acid. I love this so much because of all the benefits. So what I do is about 3 pumps of it, okay, of the azelaic acid. So it's an antioxidant. It's gonna help exfoliate or refine the skin. So I have a challenge with my skin. I used to have a lot of scarring from acne. I have sensitivity. I have open pores or enlarged pores. I have wrinkles. I mean, there's a lot of things going on. And this cream is like, I don't know, it's a game changer. You notice how even my skin tone is, face and neck? A lot to do with this. So it's about the pigmentation, it's about the redness, it's about the color. So I put this on. The benefits, I think, are phenomenal. Face, neck, final step. So if I wasn't going out, if it wasn't summertime, I could technically stop there, but what I do because it is morning routine, my final step is my SPF. So I use our SPF, which is the sunscreen with the UV Pearl technology, sunglasses for the skin. So this is a really great, now I know people are like, oh, it's whitening. I love it, and I'll tell you why. Because I can see exactly where it goes, and I use it as a makeup base. So I put this on over my eyes too, which is really great because this does not sting. You notice how it's going into the skin. And then what I do is I take my blending sponge. You see? I'm ready for the next step. So I could put makeup over top, or what I usually do is I take the dog for a walk like this. But my face is now makeup optional. The SPF that we make, the sunscreen, I have found it to be amazing as like a primer, an unmakeup look, a skin protector. It just evens out everything. It blends out perfectly. And now I'm ready for the day. Thank you for tuning in.